Hi, in this video I'll be showing you 3 methods to organize your inbox and make it easier for you to manage your emails and tasks in Outlook. The first way would be with organizing your emails with files, where you should know that anything that is created under inbox is still considered within your inbox, such as files. An inbox here, click on it, then press new folder. The first folder we should create is to do, and we should create another folder called done. After creating these 2 folders, you can see that we have 4 tasks and we can organize each, whether they're done or we should do them in the future. First thing you should set up is quick steps, where you go up here, you press on create new. Let's create to do. For the actions, you should choose move to folder, then choose the to-do folder we just created. Another thing you should add is mark as unread, in order to be able to see how many emails are included in the to-do folder. Here you can also include a shortcut to make it easier for you in the future if you want. Then press finish. As you can see, it created a to-do quick step, where here we said task 2 we should do in the future, so let's press to do. As you can see, it added it to the to-do folder and it shows 1 here. It's good to have it as unread, so you know how many emails that require your attention in the future. The second quick step you should create is go again to create new. Here you should press done, choose an action, move to folder again, and then choose done. This time you don't have to add mark as unread. You don't have to keep track of how many done tasks are in that folder. Press finish. Let's say here we have task 3 which was completed. We just press on done. If we go to the done folder, you can find it here. The second way is by utilizing the categories within Outlook. So let's say here we have 4 tasks and they each have a different type of importance. Within your inbox, you can choose email, then go to categorize up here on top right, and then you can choose the different colors. And let's say you want to change the name of this category. You press on it, and then let's call green category as done. So we pick green, rename, we call it done. Red one, let's keep it as important. For the yellow, it's something to do but not as urgent, so we can rename it as just to do. So once we do this step, we press OK. Now let's say for task 2, it's very important, we categorize it as important. The next one is green. And as you can see, each time you categorize an email, the category will show up here. So you can see the category of each one. And to make it simpler within your inbox, you can go up here, press on this by date or whatever it's arranged by right now. Then you go to categories. Now, using the categories as organizing method, so emails that have not been categorized yet will show up as none. As I said, we can use this method to categorize them. That way, you know which emails require your attention and which don't. And let's say you finish this email. What you can do as a quicker step is basically pull this email and pull it under done. Now, it went from important to done. If you're liking the video so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's keep going. The third way, by utilizing tasks. As you can see on each email here within our inbox, you can see a flag. If you press on it, here it will assign a follow-up date where it will be open-ended right now for a follow-up. And on the right, it will show up as task, where if you double click on it, it will open the email. If you don't see this section, you can go to view, to do bar, and then enable tasks. This way, you can basically go to any email. Let's say we go to this email and it's due next week. We can right click on the email itself. We go to follow up next week. Here you'll see that it assigned it to next week and it will start prioritizing it by due date. Let's say we don't have a specific date or it's maybe 2 months later. What we can do here is go to custom and then we assign the exact date we want it on. So let's say I want it in 2 months. Then also set a reminder where it will show you an alert. You can also choose a specific alert sound or so on from pressing OK, then browsing to this whatever sound you want to play, and then press OK. Once you open the email, it set a bell next to the flag, which means that there will be a reminder showing at that date. And if you see the follow-up flag here, it actually says that this email is due in 2 months from now, which is May 1st, and the specific reminder details. Also for these, you can also assign a reminder by right-clicking on them, follow up. You can add a reminder here. You can also mark as complete. You can either mark as complete within right click here. If you mark it as complete. Or if you go to the email itself, let's say you finish the email here, and then just press on the flag and it will mark it as complete and remove it from this side. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And here are some other guides that might find useful.